Welcome back to another episode, guys.
Welcome back, viewers.
We have left Wayatina and we're at Mount Field. We're staying at the Left of Field Caravan Park at the bottom of Mount Field at the National Park. But we're currently going out for a drive to Strathgordon, which is pretty cool. But we've just stopped here on, what's this road called?
Gordon River Road.
And it's the highest point on the road, 651 metres. Annual rainfall, 190 centimetres. But check out these mountaintops around us. How epic is that? The scenery here in Tassie, it just blows me away.
So, around Strathgordon, Medina, they reckon they've seen Tassie tiger sightings. So we'll see if we can see one, eh?
Going on a Tassie tiger hunt, I guess. Winnie, you want to see a Tassie tiger? Let's go and find them. The Left of Field Caravan Park where we're staying is a quirky little park, cool little spot. It's got all these little quirky things around, I guess. But yeah, we'll go for a walk around either this afternoon or in the morning and show you all around. It's a cool spot, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
He's got a licensed bar there, which is cool. A massive range of whiskey. I think he said the biggest collection in Tassie. So we'll see if we can get in there and film that as well. We had one disappointment though. The Left of Field Caravan Park is just up the road from the National Park Hotel. I heard it's a pretty cool pub and really wanted to go to check it out, but for the month of August it is closed because that's when the owners take their annual holidays. So that was a little bit of a disappointment. We won't get to check that out, but there's always next time, I guess. Check out these mountains, guys. Unbelievable.
Yeah, good.
Just come across Ted's Beach camping ground. What an epic little spot. How good would it be here in summertime?
Yeah, it's not a bad little camping spot actually.
They've got camp kitchen over there, toilets, there's no showers. But what an epic little camping spot. Got a bit of a beach up over there. Go swimming in summertime. Cool little spot, I like it. The backdrop of them mountains in the background. How awesome is that? Just go in the camp kitchen and have a look. We've got some Barbies here. Ted's Beach Campground, put it on your list. I feel like you need to see the east coast of Tassie in summertime and the west coast in wintertime. What do you reckon?
Yeah, a different experience. Pretty cold though.
Yeah, I feel like the east coast
really cold
in summertime will be epic. And then winter time is when you check out the west coast.
There's no one around, so it's good.
Yeah, it's not busy, so winter time's probably a good time to travel. Not many people about. Just pulled into Lake Pedder at the Lake Pedder Lookout. Check that out. Awesome. check out all this like white granite. Unreal, beautiful. Stopped at this lookout. I don't know how well this will come out on camera, but that is a long, long way down there. But look out over there. Unreal. Now we're off to find the Gordon Dam wall. So we've arrived at Gordon Dam, and this is the end of the road. You can't drive any further west. This is crazy how far down that is. Check this out.
That.
Your arm. Just straight down there.
Oh, you can walk down to the bottom.
Go over and this lookout and have a look.
You can walk down the bottom, down the stairs.
We'll go over to this lookout first. Over here. Check that out. Look how high it is. It's making me dizzy looking over the edge down there. How cool is that? You can walk out on the dam wall.
You're coming out here at night time.
No, thanks. I feel so uneasy out here. I hate heights. I am so far out of my comfort zone. It's unbelievable. But the things I do for content. How do you feel?
I don't want to get really close to the edge.
I know, my legs are like jelly. But check that out.
This dam's holding a lot of...
That's the old stairway up there by the looks of it.
Yeah, I wouldn't use it
There's
now though.
no way I'd be walking down there or up there. No chance.
Straight off the edge.
But we're heading back up to the top now. Got to walk back up these stairs, which is going to be fun. Oh yeah, not as bad now. My leg's not as shaking as much. How are yours feeling, Jared?
Yeah, good now.
The walk back up. What an absolute cracker day we had up at Gordon Dam. The drive up there was unreal. The scenery just blows my mind. But we're back at the van, having a few beers. They're going down a treat and think might cook some spaghetti bog for tea. What do you reckon?
Sounds good to me.
So that sounds like a plan. Might have a few more of these. They're going down really well, and we'll catch all you guys in the morning. Good afternoon. Bit of a late start today. A few too many beers and whiskies last night, but we're at Russell Falls and we're going to go for a walk and check out the waterfalls. We went down to the bar at the caravan park. They have a licensed bar there. Yeah, and ended up having a few too many whiskies, but a little bit dusty this morning. But a walk in the fresh air will do us good, won't it?
Sure will.
So we're shaking off the hangover.
Go right up.
Go right in.
What's happening there?
Tassie Devil could be in there.
Two eyes up, so you're looking at it. That up in there. Sure.
Let's go chasing waterfalls.
Yeah, it's nice and fresh up in here.
No sun in here. So cold in here. It's not too bad when you're at the sun, but yeah, there's no sun.
Yeah. You can walk up the top.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Pretty awful. Russell Falls. It's only about a 10-minute walk in here from the car park. It's pretty cool. Are we going to go and do the other waterfall?
Yeah, we'll go to Horseshoe Waterfalls next.
We'll go there and check that out.
Keep going.
Let's go. Off to Horseshoe Falls now. It's 15 minutes from this waterfall.
But it's
so
up,
not too far.
uphill.
Yeah, seems to be all uphill though, but oh well. I'm glad we're done with all the stairs.
Yeah, I think there was about 198 stairs coming up here.
Good, it's all downhill on the way back. But this is Horseshoe Falls.
See why it's called Horseshoe Falls?
Yeah. Shape of a horseshoe.
Yeah.
Russell Falls was better though.
Yeah. Russell Falls is a lot bigger.
But still nice. Still worth checking out.
Yeah.
if you want to shake a hangover, go and chase waterfalls. It works. Now enjoying a nice coffee. Beautiful, beautiful afternoon. What do you reckon, Jared?
Yeah, it's a good way to get rid of a hangover that I never had.
Never had. I did. You wasn't that bad, was you?
No.
Oh, I'm not sure what we're going to get up to now. Probably head back to the van, actually. Winston's back at the van. He will be asleep in the van. It's a national park, so no dogs are allowed in here, which is fair enough. But he's happy, just chilling in the van. So we'll go back and check on him. G'day, guys.
G'day.
We have left Mount Field and now we're at Lonavale, which is about half an hour out of Huonville, staying at River's Edge Campground. And what an absolutely cracker spot. My apologies, I never got any filming done at Left of Field Caravan Park. I was going to film on the last morning now, but it was absolutely pissing down with rain and yeah, I didn't get any filming done. But I'll drop their Facebook down below. Be sure to jump on and check them guys out. Absolutely top spot, well worth staying there, and the license bar is epic. But I'll swing the camera around and show you our campsite. So this is our campsite at River's Edge Campground.
Probably fit 4 vans on here. Every
We've got a
site's the
fire pit
same.
there, but this is our site. Check out how big it is. Jared was just saying, what do you reckon, 4 vans should fit on here?
Yeah, probably 4 vans. That's every campsite.
And we're right on the river. So on the riverside, I think there's, how many?
9
9.
powered water.
And there's heaps of unpowered. And is there any powered over there, Joe?
Yeah, there's more powered up that side, but not on the river.
So yeah, absolute cracker spot. I really like it here. There's an awesome swimming hole just down from our campsite, so we'll walk down there and check that out. So here is the swimming hole. How epic would that be in summertime? Apparently there is a platypus that lives in the swimming hole. We haven't seen him yet, but they've got this platypus viewing area, so we'll check that out. See any platypuses, Jared?
No, I can't see any at all. I reckon night time would be better. I reckon
Pretty deep in that swimming hole as well.
Yeah, I reckon it'd be over your head, easy.
Be awesome in summertime.
You jump off the other side there, the rocks.
Yeah, over there, you could dive off there into here.
Yeah.
Absolute cracker spot. Come down here the last couple of nights to see if we could see the platypus, but yeah, haven't been able to see him yet. What a great little spot. There is also disc golf course here, which is cool. It's spread out around the campgrounds. Pretty cool. Not too sure what we got planned for today. What do you reckon we'll do?
I don't know, might go for a drive to Cygnet or Dover or somewhere like that.
Yeah, we'll go and check that out and then we'll know to see what happens, yeah?
Yeah.
So today's a Wednesday. We've got to head to Devonport, not this Friday, but next. So we head to Devonport and then get back on the boat to Melbourne on the Sunday, which is the 3rd of September. Head back to the mainland. Tassie's been a blast, but I am looking forward to getting to some warm weather. So it'll be great, won't it?
Yeah, it'd be good. Go north, a bit warmer.
Can't wait to in like it's 30 degrees every day. Perfect. the amenities block. All the amenities are nice and clean, flushing toilets, there's showers that are $2 a shower.
Washing machine, but no dryer. Food vans here for when it's busy. Wood-fired pizza. The camp kitchen. And this is where they must have the bands and entertainment. Stage. Old truck there. The back of the old truck. Old Bedford truck. Lights everywhere. Pretty good setup. These camp areas are huge. We fit 5 or 6 vans, I reckon, in here. Big fire pot. And right next to the river.
I think we're going to jump in the car and go for a drive, maybe to Cygnet and then Dover, see what happens. Check out how dirty the Jeep is. And the van is in need of a wash. I think when we leave here tomorrow, straight to the car wash. We are in Dover. Come down for a drive, and this is where we ended up. It's like a small fishing town, I guess. I just pulled up at the park here and a bit of a beach. Go over and have a look. What are you doing, Jared? On your phone again? Surprise, surprise.
Yeah. Just drove 2 hours and now I'm on the phone.
I think we might go and get some lunch. What do you reckon?
See what's about.
I'm craving a scallop pie. What do you feel like?
I don't know, I might have a scallop pie. I had one yesterday.
I know, but not going to be in Tassie for that much longer, only a couple more weeks, so got to get as many scallop pies in as possible, I reckon. They're really good. That was disappointing. Couldn't find any scallop pies, so we had to settle for potato cakes. Oh well, try to find a scallop pie tomorrow. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Good morning, River's Edge Campground. It's been a blast, but we're out of here. I think we'll wrap up this week's episode here. So thank you for all tuning in, and if you haven't done so already, hit the like button and please subscribe. It goes a long way out in helping us to grow our channel. But I think we're off now. We're going to go and find a car wash, give the car and the van a wash and a really strong coffee. So from me and Jared, thank you.
See you next time.
See you all next week, and the support's really appreciated. Later. Check out that dirt. Off to the car wash.